Here is the mood board that I created using Milanote. I created this mood board for Ms. Rio as she could bounce some of these ideas onto her own work. I have included a task board, several different bridal outlets, stores and boutiques such as the Bridal Outlet Ireland, Chloe, wedding dresses and bridal wear. I studied each of these websites to look for the qualities and the flaws which would help Mags implement or inhibit some good or bad ideas for her website. So basically, the photography was the main purpose for the mood board, as I wanted to help Mags create eye-catching images and powerful content. So throughout all of these websites, this is clearly demonstrated. For example, the website Chloe has, so it's just this one here, has stunning imagery and organized content throughout the website, which is in sections and is very eye-pleasing and easy to navigate throughout the website. So this makes it a lot easier for someone that's looking for a wedding dress and what they actually would like. So to the left is the Bridal Outlet Ireland. So this has stunning images also and how they're captured and what draws you in and catches your eye straight away. Then I've just included some Pinterest images because there's a lot of content on Pinterest. And to the right is a clip on colourful dresses, which includes the perfect shot. So Mags also creates stunning colourful wedding dresses, so I thought this would be beneficial and useful for her. I have also included some daring wedding dresses by celebrities. So then there's a link that you can click onto to see 16 times brides looking stunning in daring wedding dresses. So this just gives some inspiration also. Claire, my teammate, and I never got to proceed with the photo shoot that we were planning on doing. So this was due to a couple of issues such as COVID, Mags's timetable, which was so hectic, and she was in the middle of building her own studio. So that was an issue for her coming into us. And Claire and I also had a lot of work on, and it was tough to get it a day that suited us all. So here were some of the ideas for the photo shoot that we would have implemented on the day. So obviously you would need a studio space, which we do have in the college, and it's a perfect spot. It's a perfect location for it, and it's a great size as well. So some backdrops, which are also in the studio room, and lighting. So there's also lighting in the studio room too. If you don't have all of these, the images might not come out as you would like them to. So there might be shadowed or there might be a glare on the screen. So then a tripod, so that's for the camera to keep it steady, a good quality camera. So in the studio room in college, there's great quality cameras that are all kept up to date. Some different lenses just for capturing different size shots, SD card just for memory, because also you're going to take a lot of images, so you're going to need a lot of memory on a SD card. A camera backpack, so that's essential, and photo editing software such as Adobe. So that just to the right is a photo editing software such as Photoshop or Illustrator, both provided by Adobe. So these can help edit shots or can just brighten them up or saturate or contrast. So there's loads of different ways that you can use Photoshop, Illustrator on Adobe. I found Milanote a great software, a great link that I could create the mood board on, because there was a lot of things you could add in. You could put in your own notes, links, to-do lists, lines, boards, columns, comments, images, files, and you can also draw, and then you could just drag and drop whatever you wanted. So I felt this was an easy way to help implement a lot of things for Mags. So I sent this on to her and she was quite impressed with it. So overall I was happy with how this turned out.